Hey guys, I'm not saying horse lovers right now. It's like there's something in the morning, I think. That's making a lot of noise. It's just my chair though. So I'm gonna do my bird's night routine just because I have a long time till everybody wakes up. And I don't care. So I'm gonna take the blanket off. Real quick. And I would have the blanket on. My hair's loud. I just take his food. Well, he doesn't really eat it at night. Then I get up. Oh no, that's somebody upstairs. Right? I'm gonna push that all the way back real quick. So we can set that there. Open my little bird room. I have all my food. Grab this again and try not to spill it everywhere. Because apparently, as I figured out, bird food gets stuck in carpet. Being very loud. I dump it out all the way. And then you may think this is weird, but there's hair everywhere in here, first of all. Okay, and then I just pour it, and I put too much. I put about that much in for his nightly food. And then do this, and then I dump his water out. He doesn't have any water right now. And then I shut this and I cover it up. And we're good. Dude, somebody upstairs is walking around and being so loud. I really hope you guys can hear that, so that, like, they should not be walking around at this time. We live in apartments, okay? Please. Oh, I forgot to shut the bird room. And then I gotta kind of shut the bird room. I have bird food from last year. On my floor. So, and from when my birds were alive last year, at the beginning of the year. So yeah, smash that like button and subscribe and turn on those post notifications if you're new. If you're not new, or if you are, if you're both, people who are new and people who aren't, still smash that like button to become a part of the horse lovers. Peace